Got a Bosch 800 series stove. Needs some new igniters. I pulled all the grills and covers off, and you have to take the screws out of that and take all of these off to get the cover up. And I've already pulled the knobs off. The knobs have to all come off. You just pull them. They just slide off. And then there's a screw right there. There's one underneath there, one underneath there, and one right here. And those are T20. Once you get those pulled off, you have to be careful pulling this cover off. You should probably unplug the stove first. Pull that wire cable set off, and this one slides off the top and sit the front off to the side. Then lift up the cover. Okay, I've made a little prop rod here out of wood, and basically what we're going to do here is pull the wire off the bottom of the igniter and then unscrew these screws. What you're going to have problems with is these don't come out, and you might have to drill them and retap a screw, which is what I've done for some of these. You have to get the right length igniters. These are the Bosch ones. You can see they're longer than the Chinese made ones that I tried before. They're not long enough, and they will short out on the bottom when you get them up too high. On the bigger ones, it's easy to just break off the screw that's in there and drill a new hole next to it, because there's room on this bar to do that. On the back too, that's going to be difficult because there's not a lot of extra room to hold that in. Otherwise, you can drill the old one out and put a new screw in. I bought some number 8 by 1/2 inch sheet metal screws, and I used a 13/64 hole to drill that out, and then that screws in just fine. Before you get all excited and put the cover down and close everything up, make sure you align these igniters to the hole so that it goes together again. Because once you get the top down and fastened, then you got to take it all apart to adjust this if the igniter doesn't line up. And then before we put it all together, I want to make sure they're all lighting. That one doesn't like to go. Got a little issue with the back one there. So to put this plug back in, you want the black wire to the right, and that goes in there like that. This one goes on there like that.